What I did was I actually took the pinstriping off and I redid it. I didn't like the design on the end, so I changed it to this design. I like that a lot better. What it is just the two stripes go over each other. They come out to this point, and then the third stripe goes over that. And I kind of like it. I think it looks pretty wild. So there's the entire gas tank on the left side. Emblem's holding on by itself now with the goop glue. That did a really good job holding it on there. I'll show you on the other side basically how I did that. All right, I'll see you on the other side. I'm gonna get this emblem on, get some tape ready to go. All right, now we got our emblem goop glue. Make sure you use the automotive goop glue. All I'm gonna do is there's a couple of rings on this emblem. I'm gonna put the glue right on that, really thick. Then I'm gonna put some on the center, pretty thick. All right, now I'm going to take the emblem and get that on there right where I want it. And what I like about this goop glue is it gives me time to you know, move it around and all that stuff. Get this right the first time. Make sure the letters are lined up properly. Alright, I got a little bit of glue on this side, so I'm just going to quickly wipe that off while it's still wet. Just going to tape it up and down right now. Now I'm folding over the tabs or the ends, so it's easy just to rip it off later on. Add a couple more pieces, make sure it stays on. Never have too much painter's tape holding on a metal emblem. And that'll stay overnight till tomorrow. Give that time to dry. Now to do the pinstriping. Trick here is getting it to look like the other side. Here goes nothing. Okay, I'm gonna take this off here, the plastic. Alright. This out of the way. Show you how to make this corner. Alright, so we're gonna just go straight down. And then this one's gonna go right over that. Alright, so we're gonna cut. Well, first I'm going to take the clear plastic off, and I'm going to cut this right on the edge of the other pinstripe. It's not working. Like that, and this pinstripe will get cut right on the edge of the other pinstripe, making it like a diamond. It's like a diamond. So what I'm doing here is this clear edge, I'm matching it up with the top of the thin line all the way around, and that way it gives me a good good spacing. Okay, just like the other one. I'll take the clear off. Do it right here. Careful not to scratch the paint. Cut this right here, trim it on the end, and this one's gonna go right over. Alright, now we're gonna trim it. There we go, there's a diamond pattern. And the bike is completely done. Yay! Been a long process. I did one side first, which was the left side. I didn't like it. Took the pinstriping off. I didn't do it on camera. So I removed the pinstriping, went online, looked at it, got that diamond design off a guy on YouTube, and I liked it. Same thing on this side. Believe it or not, I'm an amateur, you know what I mean? I'm not a professional at any of this stuff. I just do it. It's a hobby of mine. I know I'm not good enough to do this by hand with a brush, and it just wouldn't come out right, you know. It doesn't look as good as hand painted, but it is what it is. I don't have the money to have somebody paint the bike or do the pinstriping, so I did it on my own. I'm very, very happy with it. It looks really good. I don't think you could tell that I actually did the job if you looked at the bike. Not bad for a redneck paint job. As far as I know, or as far as I've seen so far, I'm the only neon green ultra classic out there. And I get a lot of people asking me about the color. So far I've got nothing but compliments on it, and I like it. Came out really good with the interfering painted. Looks so much nicer than it did before. Looks like a brand new bike. You never tell this bike has 63, almost 64,000 miles on it. And she still runs really strong. The old 88 cubic inch motors, they were built very well. They were a good motor. So I enjoy doing the videos, and I'm glad you guys enjoy watching them. And if you want to go and support the channel, just share the videos, even dislike the videos if you guys don't like them. And there's another way. I have links actually for Amazon. I'm part of the Amazon Associates program, and if you go through those links, you will actually help support the channel. Amazon will give me a small, it's a very small percentage of what the sales are. So whatever you buy on Amazon, I'll get a few pennies for it. I'm having fun doing these videos, and I hope you enjoyed this series here. It's been a long time coming. I've been wanting to paint the bike, and when the top pack broke, when that lid broke, I decided, you know, now's the time to do it. Alright, that's all I got. God bless everybody. Really appreciate everybody being here with me, and man, just thank you. Thank you for making this ride worthwhile. Bye-bye.